Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. Today I am doing a deep ocean mani. I've been wanting to do one for such a long time. So I pulled out one of my new stamping plates. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed this mani. I thoroughly enjoyed this one. I think it turned out so beautiful. I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you like this content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your Polish family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.